Nigo muraibwensi ya Kenya Moske Dr. William Samoei Ruto asanga amunabege nwabe dini yege Katoliki asensemeli ya Suweto Kayole ime yomuchu Nairobi. Okwana chinga kecho nigo Moske Ruto aberega kubanekeria abakenya ne serikali ya nigo ebegete mirobleisaine yogo chiagukinia esekta yobachanu nabo igo kinia wizara yesemi kwana kinga aborokigwa bali baguchigosoa asigiredi gia kianda gosigiredi 9 uchibale konyora ebirasi birosi nabo igo chikomenta abarimu ba junior secondary guchaka omwaka ogocha roboti uru nigo rwariganigwa no murikito brand sagini isena
inse ya matuko atatu oka korwa ababishopa bekanisege Katoliki kogekero bokoreri bobega igasense ya Kenya.
We are appalled by the blatant recurring incidents of reported abductions, disappearances, torture and killings of Kenyans.
Elia lero nigo Moske Dr. William Samoei Ruto aikirana ase kanisa yege Katoliki ya Soweto iwe gotoka Kayole ase kaunti ya Nairobi achinga kichecho gukwana n'abakristo n'abega ba Kenya nigo abora nachikolenta echenchi ya sense ya Kenya nabego kwenekelia ngo kiniale birengo bibogi masa ba Kenya.
Kenya lazima itabadilika, and I am determined to change this country. By the grace of God, this country is not going to remain the same. By the grace of God, this country is not going to remain the same. So I have no doubt in my mind that Kenya is going to change, that we are going to deliver on food security, that we are going to deliver on affordable housing, that we are going to deliver on universal health, and that we are going to make sure all our children go to school. I have no doubt in my mind. It's going to happen in our lifetime. It is going to happen because we are determined.
Magega yogo kora yekelisia Moske Ruto ni ganyora chinga kichogo kwanera abana Nairobi.
Hebu tusalimiane hewani nione watu wa Kanayo. Basi
na kubainekele gochikora lyobomo bwa Kenya na gotugutera hali siasa chobo kenyomba nabo igo choko abaga aba Kenya semesingi ya hali asebakurwa.
Niko na swali kwenu, mtanisaidia kujibu. Mimi nauliza nyinyi. Kuna wale wanataka kuturudisha katika siasa ya migawanyiko na siasa ya ukabila na siasa ya chuki. Mimi nawauliza Nairobi, jameni, nataka niwaombe kwa heshima. Sisi wote ni ndugu moja, wa taifa moja, na Mungu mmoja, na nchi moja. Munasema tuungane ama tutengane? Nairobi munasema tuungane ama tutengane jameni? Wale wanasema tuungane nione kwa mkono, wale wanasema tuungane.
Moske Ruto boigo ni gabora serikali ya ene ya kera oyomo goika okobwatari obomo bwa azimio la umoja sobokoreri bwaye iligosanga ibirengero byo chencha Kenya koroisi amabaga yechiga siasa basae na boigo korwania obokurumi
kisha kwamba tunapanua nafasi za kazi, vijana hawa wajisimamie na wachangie katika kupeleka taifa letu la Kenya mbele. Na ndio mimi nataka niwahakikishie, we are going to work together with all the leaders who want the best for our nation so that we can grow our agriculture and provide food security. We can create additional jobs for these many young people in our nation, and we can make sure that we fight corruption so that the resources of Kenya can be used for the intended purpose and every citizen get value for the resources that they contribute as taxes.
Iretarian Brian na Sagini Isena